Congrats Shambu for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So, what's your education and where are you from?
I'm basically from Nepal.
Okay.
And I have completed my BTech in computer science
Okay.
from Hyderabad.
Okay.
St. Mary College of Engineering Technology.
Okay, year of passed out?
It's 2014.
Okay, what were you doing all these years, Shambu?
Last I'm doing the here and there as a customer care executive. I work.
Okay.
But after a few years, I thought that I have to start my career
Okay.
with some programming, as I am a BTech student from computer science. So
Okay.
I learn do and research and something about which programming language is right now grooming on market. So I found on Google everything. So which is the best institute, training institute. So I found one of PRN is the best. So I come here.
Okay.
Start my
So, how is your journey? 4 months of journey with BRN?
It's very as we call as the most beautiful and everyone is collaborating to us as teachers, and you also
Okay.
do guidance every time.
Okay. So, what is the difference between normal trainings and BRN training?
Normal training, if you go then there you should find some lab instructor, and lab period is very few, means there is a dedicated system to everyone provided, only 2 hour, 3 hour. After that you have to means rearrange yourself.
Okay.
But here from till morning to 8 hour or 9 hour, it's your time.
Okay.
It's how much hour you have to study here, you want to practice here. So it's no any limitation for that.
Okay.
You can come anytime. Okay, work there, do practice on task whatever provided by our teacher or
Okay.
guidance. So these all the things are differences between another institute and PR.
Okay. First day of Shambu and till today, what kind of improvement that you have seen yourself?
First day when I enter in the institute and I'm thinking about programming language, what I get or not. But right now after 1 month, 2 months, when I'm getting daily by daily success, then I think okay, I will be one of the part of this.
Okay.
As a
Okay. Before joining BRN, definitely there must be a doubt whether you will get a success or not.
Yeah, definitely. While coming to the institute and seeing everyone, okay, they are getting, but how? We are thinking that everyone is means before from other streams also like EC, mechanical. But while is coming here, okay, we learn everything and we implement that. So this is one of the great achievement
Okay.
for me also and her.
Okay. How did you trust BRN?
We trust the BRN while means searching on the internet. We found so many stories of this
Okay.
things, but while coming and we see exactly what is going on BRN.
Okay.
These things is a great for me, and we started that, and right now I'm seeing that time and right now is very differences. So
Okay.
this is one of the great things.
Okay. Before joining BRN, have you seen any success videos?
Yeah, we have seen many of video in YouTube as well as some Facebook pages. We are seeing daily by daily.
Okay.
And you are updating. I have share our whatever group from BRN. We have like it, and from that we are getting.
Okay.
But in my mind, how this all things is happening, even they are passed out from this year, that year, and from other streams, how they are getting. So let's once move to BRN.
Okay.
And let's ask, so what is the success behind of this? So right now I
Okay.
got it.
How do you feel now? Because your success story is going to be on YouTube after a long career gap. How do you feel now?
I'm feeling very proud, and from your guidelines and our teacher, I'm so much happy.
Okay.
It was
Okay. What do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
Yeah, obviously suggest the BRN once, visit it, study it. Okay, you have there is also timing. If you don't think that, then it's your choice. But I hope you will get your success. Anyhow, it will get it. Not for 1 day, 2 days you will get. Obviously,
Okay.
that's the main thing.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for your future.